Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biella Party Heaven. Welcome back to this beautiful Mother's Day or Mama's Day or birthday present for Mama bouquet. This is so on trend in the UK right now. You know, this envelope gift box that could come with flowers, could come with a bottle of wine, it could come with chocolate, it could come with so many things, with balloons. Great balloon gift idea. Anyway, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription button now, guys. So I'm showing you the supplies I'm going to be using in this design. So I've got a Bobo balloon. As always, you pre-inflate your Bobo balloon first. Fill it up with air, electric or hand pump, whatever. Just fill it up and then release the hair. Next, we're going to fold in the rose balloon into the Bobo balloon. Now, this is just my own idea. You could just put like 5 inches into the Bobo balloon. You could put feathers, you could put confetti, there's so many options of stuff you could put in. And this design can be recreated. You know, it doesn't have to be just for Mother's Day. The envelopes can be used for Valentine's, it can be used for Father's Day, it can be used for so many things, and they are so cute. You could do so much with it. So if you're still thinking, oh, hat box, I can't find one, please get this envelope boxes and use it to, you know, create your gift for those special occasions. There's going to be a link in my description. Amazon store, you would find the envelope boxes in there, and you can even use it with fresh flowers. So I've inflated my mini rose and I've heat sealed it. That's my heat sealer, the blue stuff on the left. So it's for when you do not have, your balloon doesn't have a valve. So maybe you get a small balloon, 4 balloon, and it's not sealed. Yeah, you need a heat sealer to like seal it. So once you've inflated your Bobo balloon, you tie it off with a 260Q or a 160Q. Make sure you turn the Bobo balloon around several times, and then you tie your 260Q or 160Q round, you know, the tying spot basically. So after you've tied it, you get your Maxi II cup or balloon cup. In my video of doing a hat box fresh flower blocks, I showed you how to use a smaller balloon stick and cup. So also I have found a supplier on Amazon that sells cups and sticks. I'm going to put the description, I'm going to put the link of the seller in my description. You'll find it on my Amazon store, so just click the link and order for some as soon as you can. You can still also use the smaller cups and sticks too, for this design especially. And there are other ways you could even use this design with the smaller cup and stick. So I am trying to put the envelope together. Yeah, and it's just simple, straightforward. And the envelopes comes in, you know, many colors. I have seen the black and white stripes. I've seen pink. I got the lilac one. And then it comes with a a plastic lining. So if you're using it with fresh flowers, all you need to do is submerge your wet floral foam in water and place it into the lining. Next, I'm going to like glue gun my Maxi II base to the lining in the hat box. Right, guys, if you're wondering what is Maxi II base, is like a base where the stick can go in, but you could also use the Maxi II cup as your base for the stick to go in. You could also use the smaller cup and stick. You could use the cup as your base too. Just glue it to the bottom of whatever hat box or gift box you're using. So I'm going to be personalizing this. So I have personalized it with mother since it's for Mother's Day. So just put your personalization at the base. You could also put your personalization around where the upper part of the envelope. Just be creative about it, guys. Next, I'm going to be sticking in my artificial flowers into the wet floral foam. Just arrange it neatly. put the longer ones, then the shorter ones, just make it look nice. I'm using an arrangement of blush and lilac and a bit of pink, since my box is in lilac color. So just arrange it around the wet floral foam or the dry floral foam. You could just you could buy fresh flowers if that is what your client would prefer. Some would love the artificial flowers. So next, I'm going to cut my Maxi II stick into two. And then I'm going to stick it into the base that is already in the envelope. Now I am going to like place my bubble balloon onto the stick, but before I do that, I'm going to personalize the bubble balloon. So I've got another personalization, which is, I think that's mama. So it's mama and mother, you know. It could be mom, it could be whatever it is. It could be to your sister, it could be to grandma, it could be to whoever you want to gift this to. It's just a great gift idea, and it's so on trend, especially with the fact that this envelope design is so pretty and unique. So when you place your bubble balloon onto the stick, it's not sitting right. So all you need to do is just either arrange whatever gift you're going to put in the box to help the stick sit right, or you just glue the stick to the upper part of the envelope. So I'm going to be using U-glue tape here to like stick the upper part of the balloon to the back of the envelope, because I don't like the fact that it's leaning out. I want it to be sitting straight up. So I just use U-glue tape to tape it to the envelope. So once you stick it on, it would stay in place. Next, I'm going to add a ribbon to the neck to cover the mechanics. I'm not so good at making ribbons, trust me, but I still like doing them. So just make like 2 bows as neat as you can. If you're someone that would like to learn how to do your bows yourself, there are loads of videos on YouTube where you can learn how to make a bow, a satin bow. So I used my U-glue tape to tape the bow to the neck, to the cup. So that would cover all the mechanics. You know, the mechanics is, you know, where I tie the 260Q to the cup. I don't want that showing. It wouldn't look nice. You know, you could also use, if you don't want to use a ribbon, you could also use a large flower head, like a rose, and just put it on the neck just to like blend with all the flowers you've added. I also extended the ribbon to give it that extra chic look. And then you cut the edges to, you know, to make it neater. My scissors is not all that sharp, so it was kind of like tricky for me to cut the ribbon. So once you've added your ribbon, you're good to go. You could also add pearl necklace, you know, just give you that elegant finished look. Yeah, so I hope you're going to be trying this for Mother's Day or as a gift for anyone. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned from this creation. I thank you guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment, tell me what you think about this design. Are you going to be trying it out? And I'll see you same time next week. Thank you guys. Bye.